Hey guys, it's me here, and today I will be talking about, today we are going to be looking in the art book to find to see if people are real scammers or not. Most people are scammers. We'll see how this video goes, because I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look at the art book, look at giveaways, and if the giveaway looks good, maybe I will ask, and if they don't answer, then they don't answer. So, ew, who makes their sorbets that cup? Ew. Okay. Ew. Okay. Let's look at this, because a lot of people say rare trades when some of the things aren't even rare. Yeah, these are all rare, but I don't count drips as a rare, so yes, actually no, those are not rare. Those aren't rare. I see. I have them. I bought them in the shop. How to enter, it's I'm gonna say send gifts okay, there we go. Let's keep looking, because nothing. Oh, giveaway hairs. Giveaway, just buy me, wish you text me return lunch. That actually looks really cute. I think we're gonna do that. Okay. Because this girl makes it easy, so I might as well. I have 800 coins. I'll buy this. It's ugly. Might as well. Okay. I hope she didn't mean like buy my entire wish list, because I'm recording. Say hi. I sent it last video. Whew, I always sneeze. I know, I'm filming. I always sneeze when I'm filming. Oh my gosh. Let's find the thing if we can. Where is it? Here it is. I want this one. I'm gonna say I want the first hair or the second hair. So cute. Okay, I'm back. Hey, can I have the first or second pair I bought? Okay, so. Wait, what does this say down here? Wait, what the? I have no clue what that says, but to end this video, we are going to make a outfit. So let's do this. And I'm gonna use my goldfish because it's good. So good. Okay. This hair is low. That's cute, but like not beautiful. I have no shoes. If you guys could give me shoes, I feel like amazing. These are cute. Oh my gosh, that matches with the outfit so good. But if you guys want a feature in my future video, what did this girl do? Oh my god. Okay, that's all. Oh god, oh god. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Please subscribe, send gifts for my mail time. What was that? My sister just broke her phone. We're gonna see if anybody's gonna make it. That's kind of sad. Okay, bye guys.